Hey, are you having problems because you're wanting to bake or cook something and you run out of breadcrumbs? Well, look no further. Open your fridge, see if you've got any spare bread. Any type of bread, like this one, I just used this is the hot dog buns. There's only one left, and what I did is this. So get your food processor, like this one, chop them in. Make sure that you just, break them into small pieces like this one. And then, easy. You don't even have to toast this. Look at that. That's your fresh breadcrumbs that you can use. See, that's how easy it is. So you don't have to worry if you run out. You can always make your own breadcrumbs at home. Just use any of the breads that you have in the fridge and just toss it into your food processor and voila! You get the fresh breadcrumbs that you can get without any preservative in it. See you on my next vlog.
This ends now!